Oh, this one will be perfect. That's on this Tory Burch bag that nobody ever carried that I just had to have last year. Oh. Yeah. I don't know why all of a sudden I turned into somebody from Minnesota, but I do that. It's all the people living in my head, girl. Hey, Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's innieBeeLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this. Oh, eBay. Ooh, has me in its clutches. Guys, you guys have sent me so many good things. I really need like $1 million so I can just buy everything. People send me stuff in messages and emails. They comment, hey, I found a, yeah, I appreciate that so much, but I swear to God, I am shopping a little too much on the eBay hit. So, by the title of this video, you know that I have bought another eBay find from the Japanese sellers on eBay, and girl, it is another garden party. Let me just go ahead and show it to you. I think I warned you I had purchased this. We were just waiting on it to come in, but here she is. Okay, yes, it's worn. I did not make the mistake of buying another rubber, well, not another rubbery bag, but anyhow, another rubber bag. We can't, girl, she cannot, not unless that has some fun connotation in the bedroom, if you know what I mean. Wink, wink. No, seriously, this one I really love. I found this right after I found that Amazonia, and then I was like, I should return that Amazonia because it's not what I really wanted. This is more of the look that I was going for. I don't have to do anything to this. It's already trashed out so bad. This was a canvas one. Already we're ahead of the game, and then it's trimmed in this beautiful red leather, which I went ahead and cleaned and shined up a little bit because it was really dry. It was really worn down. It had just been sitting. There was kind of a whitish film over all of these straps right here, so I had to go in with my leather cleaner and really kind of scrub it down. This leather, thank goodness, it's very resilient. So yeah, I just went in and I scrubbed it down really good, and then I used a damp cloth, not wet, but a damp cloth, wiped it down, dried it, and waited till it dried completely, several hours, and then I used my conditioner on all of the leather that is on the bag, even these little stripy parts on the side. Now, I thought this was interesting. The person that owned this bag originally, I'm going to come up close. If you guys can see, the actual bag color is like this cranberry red, like a deep, beautiful, like maroon red, something like that. And I thought it was so funny that it had turned almost like pinkish, but they carried it with the snaps in. Now, if I, you know, can retrain it, I don't know if I can, but I really wanted, I like sides out, you know what I mean? But I mean, if it has to be this way, it has to be this way. I loved this one. Of course, I consulted with Autumn first because I don't know, I just trust her, and she kind of reins me in when I go too crazy. Sometimes she sends me stuff and I'm like, oh my God, I don't need it, but I gotta have it. So I did consult with her first, what she thought of it, and she, you know, she really thought it was cool. It kind of looks like torn denim the way, and it does, you know, like ripped jeans or something. And I'm not really a denim gal, so it's weird, right? But this is really canvas, a heavy duty canvas. The real kicker though, on the inside of this bag, it's like a beautiful pink. I love red and pink. Devin, of course, Devin Christopher, if you ever watch him, he loves the red and pink combo. I know nobody's really going to see that pink inside, but I love the fact that it's in there. So yes, I did clean that portion of the leather too. Now, does it have a smell? It's not a bad smell. It's more of a, I've put this in a closet for 20 years and it's just been sitting on a shelf, which a lot of you told me in my last video about the little clay that I found from a Japanese seller. A lot of the stuff that comes from over there does have, I mean, they just must have like infinite amount of shelves in a warehouse somewhere where stuff just sits until they have time to post it. And while it sits, it does get a musty, attic-y like smell. And that's kind of, it's not bad. It's not overpowering. I can get rid of it. I'm going to put some charcoal packs in here. I really want to get into the bag because I think it's gorgeous. It'll probably carry a lot of stuff, but I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? I love the torn sides right here. There's some torn places up in here. We've got some corner wear that is really gotten down to the nitty gritty on it. I just love that. I don't know. This is the year of the worn out, I don't know, bag look for me. I'm into it big time. I guess since I heard it was a trend, I thought this is a trend that I can get behind because I do already love something that has been worn out, which sounds weird coming from me because half of these damn bags she never carries and gives them a chance to wear out. But I figured something out. If I buy something that's already worn, like that Speedy, I will carry the absolute crap out of it. It's the fear of spending thousands of dollars on bags, and the thought of carrying it and messing it up, which is inevitable. It's gonna happen. I don't know why I can't get over that, but I can't. These bags also, you know, bring me just as much joy carrying as coming in here and, you know, messing around with them, keeping them on display. I just like it. I don't know. It's weird, I know. Most of you say, like, carry your damn bags. I know, girl, I know. But for years, I was always one of those people who would just get a bag that she really loves. Okay, I don't know why I'm talking about myself in the third person, but, you know, she does that from time to time. But anyway, it's one of my quirks, okay? But yeah, I would get a bag and just love the hell out of that bag. And I would then carry that bag for months and months and months, full well knowing I had 100 other bags to choose from that I could change. No, I want to be in this bag forever. Which leads me to the bag of the day, which is still, girl, it's still the cherries. I can't. I would like to move into this one, however. I think this is really cute. I could change up the look because I do have one beautiful authentic twilly from Hermes, which was gifted to me by the gals. That's right, Autumn and Yota. Felt bad because I never leave. I'm almost at this point, like I haven't traveled in so long. The thought of wanting to travel is there, but the thought of doing the actual traveling is not. Does that make sense to you guys? Like, I want to book a flight and go somewhere. I want to get in the car and drive somewhere, but I don't know. I just have an irrational, like, I guess I've been home too long. I just can't do it. You know, we did go to the beach last year, which is not very far away. It was about 6 hours for us. So maybe I just need to head up into the mountains an hour and a half away and rent a cabin and be done with it. But anyway, I'm ranting now, but this I thought went well with the bag because it does have that red there. So I thought I would do kind of like Jessie does on Jessie Style on her channel. She does wrap her handles. I mean, she has beautiful, beautiful Hermes bags. I have, you know, just two that are really, really effed up. But I gotta tell you, I do like the look and the feel of this bag. I just think I can't believe someone parted with it, but you know, and I know people are going to say, well, was it expensive? It was not expensive. I think I paid more for this one. This one was originally the guy wanted like $370, $375, and of course I lowballed him at $250. I hate when people lowball me. And then I'm like, well, shit, will you take? And he's like, no, of course we won't. And so it was that thing of going back and forth of making an offer, them refusing, and then coming back with a, you know. So anyway, we settled on $305. Now that is free shipping. I got, most of the Japanese sellers will ship it free. There's no frills on the vintage bag. So, I mean, unless the listing says it comes with, you know, the box, the dust bag, and all that. This is, I don't even know what year this was made. How old it is, nothing. I know nothing. So you guys help me out here. But there was no frills, no dust bag, no box, no nothing. So they basically put, you know, this little biche in a bubble wrapped mailer and said, bye. Goodbye from Japan. You know, you get stuff from Japan though, surprisingly quick. I'm not being, you know, sponsored or anything by, that's a big thing right now, isn't it? Us getting sponsored. Girl, I'll have to do a whole video on that. But anyway, y'all know I can be bought. That's enough said. That's my basic, that's what the whole video would be if I did a video on, you know, should YouTubers take sponsorships, you know. Half of us turn down more sponsorships than we take because some of them, I told you that time I was being offered period panties. Period panties? Girl, she hasn't seen a period in so long, so no, that's a no. And then I kept turning them down, and I just said, like, I am 50-something years old. I don't need them. Do you have daughters? That's what they wanted to know. I was like, oh my God, not that would come on here and tell you about their period panties. But anyway, yeah, sponsorship is a whole, yeah, do you get sponsors or not? And I feel like this is a lot of work. So yeah, I'm going to take some sponsorships if I can, get some free stuff and get paid for it. Hence the lovely, and these will be linked, Idyl Jewelry that I have on. I know, I'm crazy. But anyhow, look at my little scarf. Now I need 2 scarves, right? But, well, for now, we just have this. Oh, and hold please. Speaking of sponsors, this was a while back. I got this for my Murakami Never Full hands, which I never carry. Turns out my hands are never full with that bag, right? But anyway, Zumoni gave me a couple of really nice inserts. And so I'm wondering if this insert, which is pink, by the way, which is the color of the actual interior. Oh yeah, fits like a glove. Okay. I'm sure that they make these. I don't even know. I guess they make different sizes in these bags. I'm sure they do. I've seen them, you know, say like 32 or 36 or whatever, garden parties, you know, with numbers beside it. So, you know, I'm pretty sure, I don't know what size this one is, but that looks really good. Look at that. Okay, wait a minute. You know what else I need? I need one of those little horsies. Oh, this one will be perfect. That's on this Tory Burch bag that nobody ever carried that I just had to have last year. Oh. Yeah. I don't know why all of a sudden I turned into somebody from Minnesota, but I do that. It's all the people living in my head, girl. But look how cute. Okay, this one is, I believe this was a gift with purchase on something. I've gotten a couple of those. Got this one and I got this one. And this one actually matches. Maybe it came from Amazon. So, you know, this one was like 20 bucks or 10 bucks or something. I don't know. If they're still on Amazon, I haven't checked in years. So, but how cute. Oh, I've got a little horsey on there. Yes. People have asked me before, like, I love your, what do they call these? Rodeos? No. Is that what they're called? Pegasus? I don't know. Charms. Anyway, the little horse charms. That's how much I know about Hermes. But I know I like this bag. Oh, yeah, girl. I think that sets it off. I'm ready to carry this bag, but I really want to put my charcoal packets in there for just a minute to absorb the attic musty smell. But I just love this find. I love the way it's frayed. And what's so weird is it looks like denim, and I'm not a denim bag person. That is so, like, mind blown. But yeah, when Autumn made that sort of correlation to me, I was like, oh my God, girl, yes. I have to have it now. But anyhow, yeah. Tell me what you think about my newest acquisition. Yes, girl. I'm not currently looking for any more. I'm done with the garden parties. We're good. I don't want a new one. I like this one. I like the one I'm working on. We're good. We're totally good. I do have these. I buy these from Amazon in big packs, and so when I sell stuff on Mercari or through my channel to anybody, if anybody buys anything, I usually put a perfume sample in one of these little scarves in there. But I thought, this scarf, do people do two different, would that look fine? I don't know. But this is actually Hermes. See, it says it on it. So I'm really tickled with that. Okay. All right. Enough said. Okay. Thank you so much for joining me today. I don't know what, I got a few videos lined up this week. I hope they all pan out. You know, it's the thing of, oh, I could do this. Wait, all the stuff hasn't come in yet. I ordered these. Oh, wait, I can't do those because all of the... So yeah, I've ordered a couple of little micro bags. I'll probably have, I don't know, 3 to 5 little micro bags to show you. Maybe just 3. Oh God, I hope it's just 3. 2 of them were just little eBay ones that I found. One is a Coach one, and then a Michael Kors mini tiny micro bag. Yes. All right. Thank you so much for being here. If you'll do me a favor and subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Listen, if you watched 2 or 3 of my videos already, girl, we are family. Hold my hand. Thank you. Yes. Why are your hands so sweaty? Mine are too. Yeah. Anyhow, do me a favor. We're family. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and do it. And hit the like. Comment down below. Tell me all of your thoughts today. Unless they're mean ones that I'm just going to like say something snarky and then delete the whole thing. Otherwise, we're good. If you'll do me one more favor, if y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Girl, seriously, I got to get off that eBay. I don't know why I'm turned to the side like I'm doing one of the 90s portraits from the portrait studio. Remember those glam shots where you would, yeah. That's what my actual picture on here is. It's like a glam shot from 20 years ago. I look so good and I'm like, no, we can't take that off of there. I don't care if it's not, you know, recent. Anyhow, listen, people have been concerned of where she went. She normally sits right here with this Dior bag, this short timing Dior bag. As you know, she's probably not going to be here long, so I figured why not put her up there for a little while anyway. But no, I took this one off of there because she was getting the awfulest dent. I guess this is men's line, so I should call this a he, but I've had a few people ask me, what happened? Don't tell me you sold. No, I didn't sell. This is one of the bags that I think is a forever bag for me. I say that, and then, you know, I don't know. But yeah, I love this Damier black and white Nicolas Guesquière creation from 2019. But yeah, it was getting a dent because it hangs over. I even tried to put a little box underneath there, but it still hung over. Oh, girl, I hate it when it hangs over. Woo! That is a problem for me. But anyhow, yeah, this bag, I didn't like it on this very expensive, nice bag that I got, and it's limited edition. I'm going to have to let y'all go. We need a moment. Oh, God, somebody take the eBay button off my phone. It's killing me, biatch.